Sam brought us to a waterfall. You want to see? It's really cute actually, it's just very small. I was hoping for a nice little dip, but maybe not today. Look how big this lake is. It is absolutely bloody massive. Kumal Bay, eh? Good morning. What?
What's that? What is that?
Oh shit. No. That's expensive. Oh. Bollocks. My expensive shampoo leaked.
Oh, it's everywhere.
No.
Well, it's not that bad.
Oh no, it still feels quite full. Anyway guys, so we stayed at this really nice guy's house last night. He knows our friend Stefan, and he let us stay. It's so kind. So now we're going to the rum factory in Bundaberg. Last night we got to watch the turtles. Oh my god, the turtles lay eggs. Amazing. Stefan. So yeah, today rum. I'm so excited. Aren't you excited, Stefan?
Oh, of course. Now we go to drink the Bundaberg rum. Rum. Yeah. I didn't listen to Laura.
No, sorry, not interested. No double glazing today, thank you. Okay, bye.
I'm just so excited to be here.
Bundaberg.
I love rum.
It's amazing.
Rum.
Rum is life.
Rum is life.
Can't see my eyes here. Maybe I should take my hat off.
Maybe we should go under.
I just picked my nose.
Oh god. Well, Bundaberg, this better not be a real bear. Patrick!
What?
Don't you just love rum?
Yeah.
Rum is all you need. Rain! Oh my god! Oh my god! Having a moment. Bellissimo!
Yeah. How much?
Stefano is absolutely Bundaberged.
Yeah, I stay here for sponsor of Bundaberg.
Too much free samples, I think is the right word to say now. I can't even speak English anymore.
This place is amazing. There's so many goodies. So expensive.
But it's okay because we got some free alcohol.
Yeah.
Oh.
But
I'm
maybe...
thinking of getting this. What are we thinking? The only problem is Alice, cheeky, she got an extra free drink.
Wow.
But, wow Alice, you look great. But the real question here is, do I get this? But the thing is, it's not in my size, so it's a little bit too big. It says Bundaberg Rum on it, that's why I want it. You enjoying that, Ben? Benny? You guys, what a day. What have we even done today? Oh, Bundaberg, yeah. Do you know, we met this guy Patrick through our friend Stefan, and he is just the nicest, most like trusting. He literally opened his arms and welcomed all of us into his house. He lives alone, and he didn't want anything back. He was just loving the company of us being there. And it was just over 24 hours that we knew him. It was really sad to leave. I feel like I'm about to cry just talking about it. I hope he's alright. But yeah, really, really nice. We went with him to watch the turtles, the lay eggs. That was incredible. And then today we did the rum factory, which too was incredible. So today, right, current situation, we're cooking in Woolworths car park. I don't actually know what the time is.
Bay, near Fraser.
Oh yeah, Harvey Bay. So tomorrow we're going to Fraser Island. Hope you're ready for that vlog, because that will be just as good, if not better, than the Whit Sundays vlog. Or maybe this vlog. I don't know how this one's going to go though. Anyway, we're going to try and find somewhere at the side of the road to sleep. Wish us luck. And I just want to say, I've been cooking. Oh, you can't see. You can't see. That is green pasta, and completely unprocessed, might I add, because I processed it myself. I know, proud. And also, sweet and sour tofu. Sam, how much of that have you eaten?
Lots.
I've had like 2 bits.
And that's your third bit. I just take my third bit.
Who thinks he's lying? Anyway, guys, speak to you soon.